Corey Chambers at the Art Walk in Los Angeles. Thanks for joining me here at the world's largest artist loft rental complex. It's a fantastic artist community in Los Angeles. This is the Art Walk 2019, October 26 Art Walk. And I'm really happy to be here today with the Wuppy Puppy. He's having a good time. He just tried to attack two cats. Not much else to say, but I wanted you to see this architecturally significant area right here. And that's it, I think. Hello. Hello. Who's saying hello? Someone's saying hello over here. Who keeps saying hello to me? Hello? Who's there? Hello? Who's there? Hello, who's there? Oh, hello.
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 Hello, and thanks for joining me. Take care, bye-bye.